Hello wonderful viewers. Welcome back to PowerPoint Academy, the creative hub where imagination comes to life. Today, we're diving into a world of charm and laughter as we bring to you a special tutorial inspired by the beloved animated series, Masha and the Bear. Get ready to embark on a whimsical journey of design and storytelling where we'll explore the enchanting characters of Masha and the Bear. Without further ado, let Masha and the Bear presentation tutorial begin. First we need to create a nice background. I like this baby blue color so I will use it. Let's insert a rectangle and go to Shape Fill, select Eyedropper, and click where you like the color. After the colors have been saved, we can delete the image. Now add a rectangle at the bottom of the slide like this. Fill it with a light baby blue color and remove the outline. Right-click the shape, select Format Shape, go to 3D Rotation in Shape Effects, and select this preset. Let's make the fill a bit more intense. Insert another rectangle like this, fill it with a blue that is more intense, and remove the outline, then send it to the back. Insert a circle, drag one point of it like this, then rotate it. Fill it with white and remove the outline. Go to Shape Effects, add a Soft Edges effect, and increase the size. Go back to Shape Fill and increase the transparency so that it looks like this. Now duplicate the circle several times and position the copies all over the superior rectangle. Select the other rectangle, go to Effects, 3D Format, then add this format and increase the height and the width. Go down to Material and select this material to remove the glossy look. I think a lighter color would look nicer. And let's change the 3D preset to this one and see how it looks. Now we are done with the background and we will pass to the next step. We will paste the main characters of the animation movie Masha and the Bear. We need them in PNG format with transparent background. Position them on the rectangle at the bottom. Before we continue, let's save the background we created as image after deleting the characters. Then insert the image we just saved. This step will make it easier to work without any movement of the shapes. Now let's create our title. I will paste this image in the slide. Add a text box and type Masha. Use Georgia Pro Black as font and increase the size to 72. Duplicate the text and type Bear. Duplicate again, type and, decrease the size to 40, then duplicate again and type the. Position the four text boxes perfectly, then select them, go to Merge Shapes, and select Union. Right-click, Format Shape, select Gradient Fill, click the first gradient, stop at the left, then click Color, Eyedropper, and click the first letter in the image. We will add gradient stops according to how much colors there are in the image. Click Direction, and select from left to right. Now we will move each gradient stop to have the gradient like in the image. In some regions we will need to double the stops to have the correct gradient. I will keep the video slow for better understanding. Now we will make the thick white line around the text. Duplicate the text, right-click the text at the back, Format Shape, go to Line, add a white solid line with a width of 10. Place the other text above, align to center then to the middle and group them. Now we can move and resize the text as we like without any changes. Next, we will add the content. Duplicate the slide, make the text smaller and drag out the slide. We will add the text of each character one by one, and make that character bigger than the other ones. Paste the name of the first character, increase the size to 72 and change the color using the eyedropper, choosing a significant color from the character. Choose the font Georgia Pro Black. Right-click the text, Format Shape, and add a white glow. Add the text and use Georgia Pro Cond as font, and increase the size to 20. Copy the text and paste it in the previous slide and move it outside the slide like this. Duplicate the first slide, increase the size of the bear and decrease the size of the rest characters. Type the bear and change the color to brown, then add the text. Copy the text and paste in the previous slide and move them outside the slide. After that, copy the text of the previous slide and paste it in the current one and move it out of it. Repeat this process until all the characters are included. We have to add to each slide the previous and the next text and position them outside the slide. Add the first slide at the end. Finally, select all the slides and add a morph transition. I hope you've enjoyed this creative journey as much as I have. If you found inspiration in our design tips and storytelling techniques, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more engaging content, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. If you have any questions, share them in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial.